Find these stock prices, you need to log on to the StockTrak site. You need to come to the page that looks like this. You need to click on Investing Research. Now once you click on Investing Research, you'll get this menu right here. You want to click on Historical Prices. Once you get on historical prices, it's going to bring you to this landing page, and then initially it lands on General Electric Company. Here you're going to put in either the stock symbol or the mutual fund symbol you want. I'm going to put in a mutual fund symbol for a Calvert fund. Now initially it's going to say no results. Don't pay any attention to that. Just hit return. Then it's going to bring you to the landing page for that fund. It'll show you the most recent net asset value for that fund. We don't want that. We want to get the price as of April 5th, 2021. If you click on the from date here, then you go over here to the year. You can go back in years using your cursor. And then once you get to the year you want and the month you want, then you just click on the date. Now we just want the price on that date, the net asset value on that date. So that's the from to, make it the same date. Again, change the year. Click on the date you want in that year, April 5th, 2021. Click. Again, after you put in this to from date, you have to press show results. And then you'll see that it gives you the results. This is the net asset value for that fund on April 5th, 2021. In this case, it's $33.29. So that's all you have to do. Now again, works the same way for stocks. Let me put in LNG. And so that brings us to Cheniere Brothers. Again, it gives us the latest closing stock for Cheniere Brothers. We want the historical price. So we go down here to from. We want 2021. And we want April 5th. Then we go to the to date. We want April 21. April 5th, 2021. We press show. So it gives us the prices as of this date, April 5th, 2021. It gives us the opening, the high, the low. What we want is the close. The close is 70.165, and that's all we have to do.